the crazy cost of the BMW 128 Ti monthly and over a year.
I'll go through the finance on this vehicle, both the installment and insurance, as well as maintenance and fuel.
So these cost $790,000 on an installment, 72 months, no deposit, no balloon payment. That's 16,066 Rand a month.
Insurance on this car is going to be around 2,402 Rand, and total monthly cost, insurance and installment, will therefore be 18,468.
But that's not the only costs you should be concerned about. A service on this vehicle for a basic one will be between 5,000 and 7,000 Rand. Should something be wrong, or a major service is going to set you back 12,000 to 20,000 Rand.
And of course, tires. One will set you back 3,450. For all four, 13,800. A lot of money just for tires. A full tank of fuel will set you back about 1,000 Rand.
So monthly, that'll set you back 21,034 Rand. Over 12 months, that's 252,416 Rand.
My review of this vehicle being posted later this week, we find out if this is worth that amount of money, as well as,
is the BMW 128 Ti better than a Golf GTI? I'm going to talk about what's cool and unique about the Ti, and most importantly, we're going to launch it to see how quick it is, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. 80, 90,